song, people. First of all, BTN Pop, and you can find it on Facebook, you can find it on YouTube, you can find it on Spotify, you can find it everywhere. And I would like to acknowledge as well BTN Association and our president ng BTN Association. He's also a professor in main campus, Sir Gabriel Jesse Guevara. The song that I'm going to perform tonight is an original song that you can find on the album. Ang title nito is Ikaw at Ikaw. And let me tell a little bit of a backstory of the song, kung paano siya nasulat. So this song was composed by Sir E.J. Ruiz. Ayan, title ng song, kaya siya Ikaw at Ikaw kasi yung isang ikaw is for his wife and the other ikaw is for his baby. 2 years ago, Kuya EJ was diagnosed with cancer. And due to his radiation therapy and chemotherapy, napakaliit ng possibility na magkaroon sila that time ni Mrs. Ira ng anak. So, but God has been good and blessed them with a prayer na despite the impossibility na napakaliit ng chance po na magkaroon sila ng baby. They have a 8-month-old baby na din ngayon. Ayan nga, si baby EJ. EJ din ang ngayon ng baby. Ayan, so that's why Kuya EJ, he's not here with us anymore. He passed away months ago. So this song is so very, very personal song for him. So although some of you baka narinig na yung kanta, ayan, some of you ngayon pa lang, sana ma-appreciate and ma-touch kayo ng song just like how it touched me. So, I dedicate this performance to everyone and most importantly to Kuya EJ, para sa iyo, Kuya EJ.